friends, welcome to my channel A to Z Delicious. Today I am going to show you mutton keema that is made of goat, especially goat flesh. Keema is one of the most favorite of non-veg food lovers. Keema is also mouth-watering street food dish. It was the popular dish of Iranian hotel, but today we will see how to make it at home by ourselves. So today we are ready to make Bakra Eid special mutton keema curry. For that I have taken half kg of goat mutton keema nicely minced and cleaned. 4 medium onions finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of coriander ginger garlic paste. 4 green chilies paste. 1 tablespoon of garam masala, it is homemade, you can take any other brand. 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. 1.5 teaspoon of roasted coriander seed powder. 2 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. The whole masala spices are bay leaf 1, cinnamon stick 1, green cardamom 2, black cardamom 1, peppercorns 5 to 6, cumin seed half teaspoon, cloves 3 to 4. I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil, that is vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter, salt to taste, and coriander leaves finely chopped for garnishing. So we are ready for making the goat mutton keema. For that I have kept kadai on the gas stove. I'll add oil to it. It's a normal vegetable oil. And also use 1 tablespoon of ghee, clarified butter. It will give a nice rich flavor to it. Once the oil and ghee is heated, we'll add the whole spice to it, to the kadai, to the oil. I'll put bay leaf, 1 cinnamon, cardamoms, cloves and jeera. Now I will add the chopped nicely fined onions to it. Let the onion cook faster. I'll add some salt to it. Let it become nice pink color. Now the onions are pink in color. They have been cooked properly. Now we'll add the ginger garlic paste to it, 2 tablespoons of it. The green chili paste. Mix it properly. The raw smell should get out of it. Now we'll add cumin powder, coriander powder, the garam masala, turmeric powder and red chili powder. You can take as per your taste. If you like very hot or spicy, you can adjust to it, to your family and your taste to it. And side by side I have kept 2 glasses of water for boiling. We'll have to add to the keema while frying. As we are making in the pot, we are not making in the pressure cooker. We are using hot water. If you are in hurry, you can use the pressure cooker. Otherwise, you can make in a fry and keep the keema for at least 20 minutes. It will be cooked properly. All the ingredients, all the masala is been combined properly. Okay, for that we'll add some water. Now the oil will release out of it. Let it cook for 1 minute or 2. Keep stirring it so that the masala won't get burnt. We'll add the keema to it. And half tablespoon of salt to it. We have added the salt to it with onions. Mix it properly. Keep on smashing the keema so that lumps are not formed. If you are not stirring it properly, keema will be in lump form. Stir it properly and we'll cook it for 5 minutes on a medium low flame. Let's see the keema. Yeah, water is released out of it. The color got changed. Now we'll add 2 glasses of hot water to it. And let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. So we'll leave it for a while, for at least 20 minutes on a low medium flame. Let's see our keema is done or not. Yeah, looks great, aromatic and even rich. We'll add just some coriander leaves. Add some coriander leaves to it. See, we can adjust the gravy's consistency. If you prefer with pav or paratha or even with steamed rice, or make it dry as a keema dry masala. Okay, as you like it, and depends upon our taste. I think my goat mutton keema is ready to relish with soft buttered pav now. And I will turn off the gas. I'll transfer to the serving bowl. No lumps are there of keema, as we have add hot water to it. I'll garnish with nice finely green chopped coriander. Today's tip I would like to give to you all is use 70% of mutton and 30% of fat in the keema and adjust it properly to get a nice rich flavor tasty dish. And also use hot water so that the lumps will be not formed in the keema in the kadai. If you like this my recipe, please share, comment and like my channel, and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you, and do take care of yourself.